In 1809, a humble wooden house gave birth to Abraham Lincoln. Fate had planted an extraordinary future for him. His poor childhood, which meant he had to learn to live early. School was a luxury, but his desire for knowledge never died. His honesty was the most shining business card in town. To return a few cents overcharged, he traveled several miles overnight. People called him Honest Lincoln. This title accompanied him throughout his life.
You're a hero.
He tried business and campaigns, but he failed repeatedly. Every time he fell, he chose to stand up again, never giving up. He taught himself and became a lawyer and spoke for the weak. His kindness was not only to people, but also to animals. Humor is his weapon. Facing ridicule, he can always diffuse it skillfully. If I had two faces, would I still wear this one? His self-deprecation won him respect. But behind these jokes, he always cared about the country. Slavery loomed over the United States. He knew it was unjust. His political ambitions gradually became clear.
Brought forth on this continent a new nation.
And finally, he was elected the 16th president of the U.S.
Brought forth on this continent a new nation.
But this honor was accompanied by unprecedented tests. The Civil War broke out. The country was plunged into a bloody civil war. He believed that the country must be unified, and freedom must come to all creatures. So, he issued the historic Emancipation Proclamation.
And henceforward shall be free.
The spark of freedom was ignited. He firmly stood on the right side of history. In Gettysburg, he delivered a famous speech, which redefined the true meaning of democracy.
A new nation,
A government of the people, by the people, and for the people.
As one nation, indivisible. Did you
Even
ever hear
facing
the one
death
about the
threats,
two generals?
his sense of humor never disappeared.
I'm on duty.
I understand.
He had an
that,
amazing
but this is
mind
a chance
and could
to
tolerate
redefine
those
our
who
nation's
laughed at him.
future.
The weight of this responsibility is immense.
He needed the best talents, even those who were once political opponents. On the eve of the victory of the Civil War, he began to have a disturbing dream. In the dream, he heard wailing from the White House. He found a coffin covered with the flag, surrounded by guards. Surrounded. Who died in the White House? The guard replied that the president was assassinated. He woke up from this prophetic dream, the shadow in his heart lingered. In April 1865, the Civil War ended, and the dawn of peace finally came. Lincoln advocated forgiveness and reconstruction instead of revenge. In the atmosphere of victory and peace, tragedy happened. Assassin John Wilkes Booth quietly infiltrated. With a gunshot, the great leader fell. He belonged to this era. Now he belongs to eternity. A train carrying his coffin sailed slowly for thousands of miles. President Lincoln. He was the son of a commoner, the founder of unity, and the beacon of freedom. His story will be remembered forever.